We stand facing each other at a distance. We don't start the choreography with the first beat of the music, check at what point we start taking the first step. I start with my left leg and take 4 steps towards my partner.
I start with my right leg, take 4 steps, I don't take big steps. Stand so that after 4 steps you are not too close to each other, but not too far away either.
I took 4 steps and put my feet together. I grab Dominica's hand, my hand should always be at the bottom, Dominica's hand lies on top of my hand. Holding it like this shows that I am the one who is leading the dance. Then I kiss my partner's hand, do not raise Dominica's hand too high. I can pull my partner too hard. I lean forward to kiss Dominica's hand, I can take a step to make it comfortable. I put my feet together again.
I want to pay attention to the hands while dancing. If you have the opportunity, you can grab the dress. Whenever I am not holding my partner, I can grab the dress. Then there is more movement and we don't have problem what to do with our hands. If you have a narrow dress, your hands should be slightly away from the body. We cannot stick our hands to the body because then we will look stiff. I take 4 slow steps and put my legs together. I'm waiting for Tomek to kiss my hand. I take a step on my right foot towards the guests. You have to check at what moment I take this step. I am slightly in front of my partner. This position will be comfortable for me for the next steps.